Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am bringing you a little DIY video. It's a very easy project. We're going to take some Dollar Tree glasses and make them over with a little bling wrap, a little Mod Podge, and some glitter. Now, this video is sponsored by BeeBee Craft. They did provide us with the bling wrap. Now, this bling wrap is a 2mm closed chain wrap in a blue sapphire. So please go down and visit the link in my description box. If you're a crafter or you make jewelry, I know that you're going to find something that you like at BeeBee Craft. Now, I've speeded up the video, but I think you're going to be able to see my process from beginning to end, and I'll come on at the end and say a couple of words. So this is how the glasses turned out. And I do believe I'm going to make a complete set of these, and you're going to see them in a future tablescape. So again, this is an easy DIY, little Mod Podge, little Bling Wrap, little glue, glitter, voila. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's something that maybe you can use yourself. And again, don't forget to go down and check the link so that you can also go and visit BeeBee Craft. And I want to thank them again for sponsoring the video. So thanks for watching, guys. And you know what I'm going to say. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much and have a great day.